Thanks, guys, for coming. It's an exciting time for the University of South Alabama. They're gearing up for their new on-campus stadium, Hancock Whitney Stadium. And there are a couple of open house dates that you need to know about. Travis Toth and Jacob Ludwikowski are here from South Alabama Athletics. Good morning, guys.
Good morning. Thanks for having us.
Yeah, of course. So first off, tell me your roles at South and in the athletic program.
I am Senior Associate Athletic Director. I oversee external relations.
Awesome. What about you, Jacob?
I'm Assistant Athletic Director for Development. I kind of handle the fundraising day-to-day activities.
Awesome. Well, the community, and I know South Alabama is so excited about this stadium that's going to be on campus. Just tell me about the latest and what's going on.
Well, as you know, I mean, in 2009, we launched football, and the vision, the dream was to build our own on-campus stadium, and here we are with our sites on September 12th of 2020. So it's underway. Right, and if someone wants to help with funding, how can they do so?
Really, what we're trying to do right now is unveil a kind of multifaceted program where people can give where they want to give.
I'm going to help out. Your mic's not working, so I'm going to help you out right there.
Joe coming in.
Joe.
Putting Joe in.
Joey.
Anchor 3. All right,
golf clap.
All right, let's see if it works now. Okay, you can go ahead. Yes, we're good.
Okay,
yep.
All right. So what we're doing right now is we're trying to unveil a multifaceted program where people can kind of give where their interests lie. So getoncampus.com is the best way to kind of see where the different funding options are. We have various naming opportunities, so if anybody's interested, they can reach out to me personally.
That is awesome. And then, you know, we talked about the excitement. This stadium, I watched a YouTube video of the virtual tour, is incredible. I was wanting to know, are there any cool features and how many people it seats?
Well, it's going to seat right at 25,000, and there's incredible features. We're going to have on the west side, we're going to have a club. The club's going to hold just under 1,000 people, and it's going to be food and beverage every night provided as part of your tickets if you're in the club level. We have loge sections, which is 42 sections of clusters of 4 seats with bar rails and connectivity for your iPhone and smartphone. We also have a south end zone, which is going to be a general admission area, which is going to be the place to be. It's going to be the party place to watch the game.
That sounds so cool. It sounds like there's not a bad seat in the house. So if someone was interested in getting season passes, when can they do that? I know it's pretty early on, but could they do that maybe this year?
You were looking at about July 8th we'll go on sale with tickets. So we're over the next few months we're going to roll out some information and get the information in everybody's hands and make sure that they're aware of the July 8th date that starts kind of the actual ticket buying process.
And if the folks at home want to go ahead and ask some questions about this new stadium or get a virtual tour, they can do so. You guys have a couple open house dates coming up where people can ask questions and get more information. Tell me a little bit about that.
We do. Thursday night, this Thursday night, doors open at 5:30 at the Mitchell Center, and everybody's welcome. It's open to the public, and we're going to give a virtual tour. We're also going to answer, we'll stay there all night. We'll answer any question they have. It's a great way to find out how involved you want to be.
Right.
Thursday night at 5:30, Saturday night at 5:30, Mitchell Center.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys so much for being here. We appreciate you being here. We are so excited about this new stadium. I know the community is behind you, so thank you.
Thank you.